Number 163. The ask is what is the initial cost of right of use asset? Okay. So we have the facts here, and this fact is applicable for this question as well. So this fact is applicable from 162 to 166. Okay. So the ask is uh, cost of right of use asset as at 1st April 2017. Okay. This is the ask. Okay, let's gather the information from this question. On 1st April 2017, the company entered into an agreement to gain the right to use plant for a period of 3 years. So 3 years is the lease period. The agreement meets the definition of a lease, all right. An initial payment of 100,000. So it started on this. Um, it started on 1st April, period 3 years. Then the deposit, initial deposit. Here we can say lease term is this much and then the start date is this. Okay. So they made a deposit of 100,000 per annum. No. 100,000 was made of an initial deposit. Uh, and then there are future installments. So the present value of future payments is given as 173,500 and the yearly payment, you know, in advance, like on the first day of the year they pay how much 100,000. Okay, payments in respect of the lease are made in advance and 100,000 per annum commencing on 1st April 18. Okay, so lease started on 1st April 18, but this is starting from 1st April 18. Okay, from the next year. Okay, the rate of interest implicit in the lease is 10%. Rate of, or we can just say rate is 10%. Hmm? The lease does not transfer ownership, okay, and there is no purchase options available, okay, no lease back. Fine company incurred initial direct cost of 20,000 to set up the lease, okay, so direct cost we can say there are some direct costs of 20,000, okay, to set up the lease and received lease incentives from the manufacturer of 7,000, so they received this incentive of 7,000. So our lease amount. So cost of the initial, they're asking about the initial thing, like initial cost of ROU asset. So the initial cost, what we take this deposit. This is will an added adjustment. We don't consider this. Okay, wait a second. So we don't consider this. Yeah, deposit. Yeah, deposit is a positive adjustment, and then the present value is also a positive adjustment. Yearly payment in advance we don't consider. Rate direct cost is also a positive adjustment to arrive at initial cost of ROE asset. And incentive is a negative adjustment because incentive, it will reduce the lease liability. So we will take this deposit, we will take this present value of future payments, we will take this direct cost, and we will deduct the incentives. Our answer will be 286,500. This fourth one should be the answer.